First, let's set up our Go package and import the necessary libraries. We're importing the Bubbletea framework from Charm, which is a powerful library for building terminal user interfaces. The T alias makes it easier to reference throughout our code. Now we define our model struct, which holds all the application state. We have a slice of Todos to store our tasks, a cursor to track which item we're currently highlighting, and a selected map to remember which Todos have been completed. This function creates our initial model with some sample Todos. We start with 3 tasks and an empty selected map. The cursor defaults to 0, which means the first item will be highlighted when the app starts. Here we implement the init and update methods required by Bubbletea. Init returns nil since we don't need any initial commands. The update function handles keyboard input. Pressing Q quits the app, arrow keys or J and K move the cursor up and down, and enter or space toggles the completion status of the current to-do. The view method renders our user interface as a string. We loop through each to-do and display a cursor arrow for the selected item, a checkbox showing completion status, and the to-do text. This creates a clean, interactive terminal display that updates in real time. Finally, our main function brings everything together. We create a new Bubbletea program with our initial model and run it. If any error occurs, we print it and exit. That's it. You now have a fully functional terminal to-do list application built with Bubbletea.